Hello and welcome back. This is video number 5, and in this particular video, we're going to talk about voice reputation. So a big concern and a valid concern is, well, my voice doesn't sound like the speaker's voice. How can I combat this? So for example, I'm a male and maybe you're a female, or maybe you're watching this and you're in a different country and you have a totally different accent. And you're asking yourself, how can I brand myself when the speaker's voice is a male from a different country? Or maybe it's a female from a different country, right? So if you're a female, but the speaker's voice is male, or you're a male, but the speaker's voice is female, how do you go about creating a video with your own voice, maybe as an introduction video, and claim that this course is yours and you have the rights to it, and ultimately rebrand it as your own? Well, there's actually a very simple solution to this, and this is part of the whole rebrandable, course blueprint, because it is a valid concern and it could impact the way you could go about creating your value, essentially. So let's say, for example, you own a company, and not just a one-man company, but a company that has a bunch of people. Well, if you think about it, in that company, you might have different types of people with different types of accents and all that, who could be the person speaking in your video course. Could it be your partner, or could it be one of your employees? Now, remember, what I want you to do is think big. Don't think small. So what you can do is, if this is a concern, then what you can do is make a video in the beginning of the video course. So let's say, for example, that the video course is 10 parts. What you can do is make an intro video that is right in front of all the other videos and say, this is the introduction video of the video series, and introduce yourself. Let's say, for example, that your name is Julie. You could say, hi, my name's Julie, and today you're going to learn about email marketing in the video course, in the videos after this video or something. Discuss the video course and give a brief summary. And then, of course, if you're a female and the voice is a male, you could say something like, hi, my name's Julie, and my partner Bob will be sharing with you how to, step-by-step set up your email marketing campaign, right? Hi, my name is Julie, and my employee Bob will be sharing with you how to do exactly that. So what you're doing is you're creating pen names or dummy partners. This is nothing new. A lot of people out there actually have pen names. So that's how you can get around this situation. Of course, don't actually use the actual video creator's name unless you have permission from them, because of course that is a violation of copyright, or worse, trademark, especially if, they've done that. So, because they could easily come at you and, sue you from profiting off of their name. So this is why you need to create your own dummy partner or dummy employee name underneath the umbrella of your company. And of course, if you're a male and the speaker is a female, you can simply say, make a dummy partner or a dummy employee and say, hey, this is Bob. Donna will be showing you how to set up your email marketing campaigns. Same thing if you're in a different country. You could say, I'm going to pass this on to my business partner who is in the UK, right? So you're creating a dummy partner, essentially. So at the end of the day, now I will say, don't get too caught up into this. At the end of the day, most people do not care about us. What they really care is, what kind of value are you going to give to them? So that's really what they're concerned about. So while this is a valid concern, as it could be, in certain respects, impact how they see you as a brand, as a person, or as a company. In fact, if you're branding yourself as a company, it's easier, to get away with this because you're under a brand, right? If you're branding a person, then you're going to have to do this in order to get around that, or otherwise you would have to redo the total course itself, which It's possible most PLR products do have transcripts, but I will say that voicing over a video course is often harder than it sounds. So with that said, I do want to say, don't focus too much about yourself and how you look. And if this is taking you more than a day to think about, just do what I'm telling you and move forward.